I say Devi from grade 8. Today I am going to give a seminar on short December 5 physics. That day I gave you part 2. Today I am giving you part 2. Sound. Lesson 5. Please. We'll set a goal afterwards. So, do you remember everything that we have learned? Production of sound, musical instruments, and sound and structure of the ear, larynx. So now to our topic is structure and functioning of the eardrum. Structure and functioning of so structure of functioning, of eardrum. Last time I got a diagram also and I explained what is larynx. How about you guys? Now, here exists of 3 sections. Here exists of 3 sections. They are outer ear, inner ear and middle ear. What are they? Outer ear, inner ear and middle ear. So, outer ear is outside, inner ear which is inside of the ear, and middle is which is between. And the structure of eardrum. Structure of eardrum. Structure of eardrum are 5. What they are? They are eardrum, middle box, and auditory canals. And outer ear. And it is known as it is an external ears. External organs. There are 5 internal organs and heart, lungs, like every ear is an external organ. It collects the sound. External ear collects sound of what? Vibration. So, this is a tuning fork. By this tuning fork, it is vibrating. And here, this vibration is called by tuning fork. The vibration happens, and it enters into our ear canal. Into vibration is vibrating. And after when the vibration is started, it makes it vibrate. Or makes it vibrate. And there is a scientific name. What do you mean? Membrane biology is cell membrane, like the routine is also routine physics. Okay, what it do? It reach the middle ear. Reach the middle ear. And then it reaches the middle ear and it contains a small box. What contains a small box? Contains a small box. They are in that we have manganese, insects and strips. Manganese, insects and strips. And then it transmits the vibration. Transmits the vibration. And oval is widowed. It has 1/20 box. Oval widowed. It has how many? 1/28. And the vibration increases 30 times to 60 times. Like human can hear only or 24 sound. Animals, if the male they get 30 also, 40 also, until they have that natural again. If it is about 20,000 hearing, it's a bit different. So what I'm saying, vibration images 100 to 60 times. Images 9. Then the vibration has electric signals. Vibration, electric signals. Like we have electric signals in both the electric will also get vibration. The signals are get and they go inside the brain. They are carried by nerve brain. Carried by nerve brain, and the vibration reaches the inner ear. Vibration reaches the inner ear. So by the magnetic this also I have to do it directly to the bones. Directly to the bone. Find the negative of this topic. Notice only this topic, there are one like topics, so I will explain over there. Here, this topic is one of the operated in the air media. Section of interior, network and portability canals. Outer ear is also known as external region collects sound vibration and enter into ear canal and vibration is strike and make it vibrate. And region here. In the small box, it contains our real contact compound box. They are magnets, integers, and shapes. And it transmits the vibration and it has open preload. It is 1 by 28 and the vibration that may take is at 30 times. Then vibration has electric signal and they are carried by brain nerves of brain. Vibration reaches the inner ear directly through the bones. Magnetic law. Another topic is carriage of sound. Carriage of sound. So they are loudness, steepness, and amplitude. What are they? Loudness, steepness, and amplitude. The field sounds have different locations. Field sounds different locations, and after that vibration produces sound. Vibration produces alright, and the characteristics of sound 3. They are 3. Loudness, vibration, and amplitude. Field sound has different location. Vibration produces the sound. Now we are going to another topic. Now another topic is normal sound consists of mixed frequencies. We hear different sound, like we hear different sounds. We hear different sound. Primitive man no developed language. Man no developed language. And it used to communicate signs. Bus people used to box, vocal cords, lips, teeth, tongue, nose, and throat. Nose and throat. They are and now it's gonna talk. No, it's sorry, Ganesh. The music and noise. Next, sorry, please. Music and noise. Before that, I will again. We edited sound that primitive have no developed language and it used to communicate by vocal cords. It used to communicate vocal cords, lips, teeth, tongue, nose, and throat. The order how many? 24 and 6. They are 6. Now we are going to another topic. Now the another topic is music and noise. In music, you know, noise also you know where the people shout very much, and music in music they will enjoy. They will enjoy the sound in not in music because yeah, and they please to listen to hear. Here and sound wheels are length of what? Sound wheels are length. That's called music. And not isn't very by that we will be irritated. Just shouting and we will be irritated. That's called noise. Irritated. Not pleasant or irritated is called noise. Publishing of sound is called music. Communication of sound known as music. Now we are going to another case. Not present are irritated and they are called noise. Combination of simple sounds are known as noise. So music. And then the next topic is audible range. Audible range. Here is animal to hear. Here, enable to hear. Here, sounds normal human can hear. vibration is called audible range. Here, sound only human can hear, called as audible sound, and multiple vibration, or it is called audible range. Our next topic is sound pollution. So you are learning small pieces of that sound pollution means like there will be much sound like firecrackers, voices, firecrackers and the sound shouting people. So it is a serious problem. It is a serious problem. And like air pollution or water pollution or it is a serious problem. Like air and water pollution. Like it is also a serious problem like air and water pollution. Why? But it is harmful to humans. It is harmful to humans. And what did I say? If we hear about 20,000, we will be deaf. Like the only it is harmful. And we listen 60 dB. What do you mean by dB? Say dB means decibels, not decimals like that. It is decibel. If 80 dB it will be very painful. 80 dB and it causes sound pollution. Example is example of this are like on firecrackers and industries. Everybody comment once again. It is a serious problem like air water pollution harmful to human. We listen only 60 dB. We listen 80 dB. dB means decibel. 80 dB to be faithfully listen above 80, above 90, above 100. Just free time. So, and it is sound that is called sound pollution. Now we are going to listen to the last second topic, effects of sound pollution. Effects of sound